Hi everyone, I'm Jeremy Idunado, first year student in Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering under the Department of Engineering, Architecture and Technology. Our unit is Mechanical Engineering Orientation or ME 111. Practice problem for Algebra and Trigonometry, Part 2. So the first part will be the algebra. Number 1 question. How many ounces of pure nickel must be added to 150 ounces of alloy 70% pure to make an alloy which is 85% pure? So before we proceed to solution, let's gather all the given in this problem. The given are 150 ounce of pure nickel alloy, 150 ounce, 70% pure nickel content. So 150 times 0.7 is equal to 105 ounce. Nickel 105 ounce, other metal 45 ounce. So let X ounce of pure nickel added, then new alloy we have 105 plus ounce of nickel in total of 150 plus X ounce. The percent of pure is equal to 105 plus X over 150 plus X is equal to 85. Simplify to get 105 plus X divided by 150 plus X is equal to 85 over 100. So cross multiply, it will have 100 times 105 plus X is equal to 85 times 150 plus X. So 10,500 plus 100x is equal to 12,750 plus 85x. 100x, so we need to transpose the 85, so it will become negative 85x is equal to 12,750, and also we need to transpose 10,500, so it will become negative 10,500. 100x minus 85x is equal to 15x equals 12,750 minus 10,500 is equal to 2,250. So to find the x, we need to divide 15 the both sides. So x equals 150. Therefore, the final answer is 150 ounce should be added. Question number 2. How many pounds of cream containing 12% butterfat must be added to 1,800 pounds of milk containing 2% butterfat to obtain milk having 3% butterfat? So let 12% butterfat added to X times 12 over 100 is equal to 0.12. So 0.12x plus 1,800 0.0 ounce is equal to 0.03 times x plus 1,800. Therefore, 0.12x plus 36 is equal to 0.03 x plus 54. 0.12x is minus 2. We need to transpose 0.03, so it will become negative 0.03x is equal to 54 transpose 36, so it will become negative 36. So 0.12x minus 0.03x is equal to 0.09x is equal to 54 minus 36 is equal to 18. So in order to obtain x, we need to divide both sides 0.09. So the final answer is x is equal to 200 pounds. Number 3 question. How much water must be added to 200 gallons of mixture which is 80% of alcohol to reduce it to a 75% mixture? 2 gallons of mixture which has 80% of alcohol, so therefore 250 times 80% is equal to 200x 200 gallon of mixture 200 gallon of mixture has 80% of alcohol. 250 times 80% is equal to 200 times 80 over 100 is equal to 160 gallons of alcohol. If 160 gallons of alcohol from 75% of solution, the solution has to be 160 times 100 over 75, which is 213.33 gallons. 213.33 gallons minus 200 gallons will lead to 13.33 gallons of water must be added to reduce it to a 75% of mixture. So number 4 question. 10 years ago, a man was 3 times as old as his son. In 6 years, or in 6 more years, he will be twice as old as his son. How old are they? So let x will be the son's age now. X minus 10 is equal to son's age 10 years ago. X plus 6 will be the son's age in 6 years. And let y man's age now. Y minus 10, man age 10 years ago. And y plus 6 will be man age in 6 years. Now we are told the following. Y minus 10 is equal to 3 times x minus 10. So y minus 10 is equal to 3x minus 30. So the equation 1 will be negative 10 plus 30 is equal to 3x minus y. Therefore, negative 10 plus 30 is equal to 20 is equals to 3x minus y. So the equation number 2 will be y plus 6 is equal to 2 times x plus 6. Y plus 6 is equal to 2x plus 12. So the 6 minus 12 is equal to 2x minus y. Minus 6 minus 12 is equal to negative 6 equals 2x minus y. Subtract the equation number 2 from the equation number 1. So it will become 3x minus y is equal to 20. Negative times 2x minus y equals to negative 6. So the final answer is x is equal to 26. It is the son's age now. So to get the month's age now, we need to substitute the value of x to get month's age now into equation number 2. So 3x minus y is equal to 20. So therefore 3 times 26, the son's age now, minus y is equal to 20. 3 times 26 is equal to 78 minus y is equal to 20. Negative y is equal to 20 transpose 78, so it will become negative 78. So negative y is equal to 20 minus 78 is negative 58. So the final answer is, or the month's age now is 58. So son, let x is equal to 26. X is equal to 26 son's age now. X minus 10 is equal to 26. 26 minus 10 is equal to 16. It is the son's age 10 years ago. 26 plus 6 is equal to 32. It is the son's age in 6 years. So man, let y is equal to 58. Y is equal to 58 man age now. Y minus 10, therefore 58 minus 10 is equal to 48. It is the man age 10 years ago. Y plus 6, so the y is equivalent to 58 plus 6, so therefore it will have 64. It is the man age in 6 years. To check, substitute the value of x and y. Y minus 10 is equals to 3 times x minus 10. So therefore 58 minus 10 is equal to 3x minus 30. 58 minus 10 is equal to 48. 3x minus 30 is equal to 3 times 26 minus 30. So the final answer is 48 is equal to 48. So check. Next, y plus 6 is equal to 2 times x plus 6. 58 plus 6 is equal to 2x plus 12. So therefore, 58 plus 6 is 64 and 2x plus 12 is 64. So therefore, 64 is equal to 64. Check. Question number 5. In 2 years, a boy will be 3/4 as old as his sister. 2 years ago, he was 2/3 as old as she. How old are they? So, b plus 2 is equal to 3/4 times s plus 2. b is equals to 3/4 s plus 3 over 2 minus 2 is equal to 3/4 s minus 1/2. Substitute the value of 6 to the next equation. b minus 2 is equal to 2/3 times s minus 2. b is equal to 2/3 s minus 4/3. 3/4 s minus 1/2 minus 2 is equal to 2/3 s minus 4/3. 3/4 s minus 1/2, 2/3 s is equal to negative 4/3 plus 1/2 plus 2. Therefore, it will have 9/12 s minus 8/12 s is equal to negative 8 plus 3 plus 2 over 6. 12 times 1/12 s is equal to 7 over 6 or 7/6. It is multiplied by 2 by 12, so as all denominator is equal to 1. So s is equal to 14. Sister's age now is 14. Boy is 10 using first equation to find x. So it will be b plus 2 is equal to 2/3 times s plus 2. b plus 2 is equal to 3/6 times 14 plus 2. So b is equal to 3/6 times 16 minus 2. So it will have b is equal to 12 minus 2. So the final answer is 10. It is the boy old is 10 years old. Number 6 problem. The sum of Kim and Kevin's ages is 18. In 3 years, Kim will be twice as old as Kevin. What are their ages now? So let x will be the age of Kim and the y will be the age of Kevin. So x plus y is equal to 18, first equation. X plus 3 is equal to 2 times y plus 3, second equation. So x plus y is equal to 18. X plus 3 is equal to 2y plus 6. X minus 2y is equal to 6 minus 3. X plus y is equal to 18. Next, x minus 2y is equal to 3 minus x plus y is equal to 18. Therefore, it will have negative 3y is equal to negative 15. So we need to divide both sides into in order to get the y. So negative 3y over 3 is equal to negative 15 over 3. So the final answer will have y is equal to 5. It is the age of Kim. So substitute the value of y, which is 5, to get the age of Kim. So x plus y is equals to 18. X plus 5 is equals to 18. X is equals to 18 minus 5. So the final answer is x is equals to 13. It is the age of Kim. Number 7 is same problem with this with the number 5. Number 8 question. Paula is now 18 years old and his colleague Monica is 14 years old. How many years ago was Paula twice as old as Monica? So let 18 minus x, the age of Paula, and 14 minus x, the age of Monica. Therefore, 18 minus x is equals to 2 times 14 minus x. 18 minus x is equal to 2 times 14 will have 28, and 2 times negative x will have negative 2x. So, 2x minus x is equal to 28 negative 18. It will have x is equal to 10. To check, substitute the value of x is equals 10 to the ages of two girls. Paula is equal to 18 minus x. So, the x is 10. It will have 18 minus 10. The age of Paula is 8. Monica, 14 minus x. 14 minus 10, which is the value of x, is equal to 4. So therefore, 10 years ago, Paula's age is twice as Monica. Number 9 question. A girl is 1/3 as old as her brother and 8 years younger than his sister. The sum of their ages are 38 years old, or 30 years. How old is the girl? So let x will be the girl age. 3x is equal to the age of the brother, and ax plus 8 will be the age of her sister. Given 38 is the age of 3 siblings, or the total age of 3 siblings when you added. Solution: x plus 3 plus x plus 8 is equal to 38. 5x is equal to 38 minus x. So it will have 5x minus 30. So in order to obtain x, we need to divide both sides in 5. So 5x divided by 5 is 1. So x na lang, or x itself, is equal to 30 divided 5. It will have 6. So substitute the value of x. X minus 6 will be that is the age of the girl. 3x is equal to 3 times 6 is equal to 18. It is the age of the brother because 3 times older to the girl, and 1/3 is the age of the girl to the brother. So, x plus 8 is equal to 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. It is the age of the older sister because the girl is 8 years younger. Number 10 question. At what time between 8 and 9 o'clock will the minute hand coincide with our hour hand? Question number 11. At what time after 12 noon will be the hour hand and minute hand of the clock first form an angle of 120? So, at the midnight, the angle between the hand is 0. Half an hour after this, the angle will be 165. The hour hand will have moved 15 degrees, and the minute hand will move 180 degrees. So, it will become 180 degrees minus 15, so it will have 165. Because the hand's movement is continuous, then get from 1000 or 1200 times 0 degrees, the angle must have moved through 120. So 80, the answer is somewhere between 0 and 30 minutes. It takes an hour 20 minutes to get round the clock, and it takes the minute hand 60 minutes to get round the clock. So, after x minutes, the hour hand has moved 360 degree. So it will have x over 720 is equal to x over 2. So the final answer is 6 times x degree. Because the first solution lies between 0 and 30 minutes, we know that the minute hand must be after the hour hand. So the question we have to solve is minute hand hour hand is equal to 120, or rather 6x minus 0.5x is equal to 120. So 6x minus 0.5x is equal to 5x 5.5x. So bring down the 120. So x is equal to 240 over 11. So the final answer is x is equals to 21.82. The time after 12 noon will the hour hand and minute hand is at 12.21. Question number 12. At what time after 3 o'clock will be the hand of the clock to be or be together for the second time? Let's move to the second part, which is trigonometry. First question. At a certain horizontal distance from the foot of a vertical cliff, the angle of elevation of the top of the flagpole 50 feet tall standing on the edge of the cliff is 40 degrees. From the same position, the angle of elevation of the foot of the pole is 35 degrees. How high is the cliff? So in order to solve this situational problem, we need to draw first the figure. So equation number 1 is tan 40 degree is equal to 50 plus x over y. So therefore, y is equal to 50 plus x over tan 40 degree. Equation number 2, tan 35 degree is equal to x over y. So it will have y is equal to x over tan 35. So y is equal to y. Therefore, 50 plus x over tan 40 is equal to x over tan 35. So the final answer is x is equal to 125.075. Question number 2. At a certain point, the angle of elevation of the top of a flagpole which stands on level ground is 35 degrees. 75 feet near the pole, the angle of elevation is 50 degrees. How high is the pole? So first, we need to draw the figure. So the first equation will have tan 35 degrees equal to y over x, and equation number 2 will have tan 50 degrees is equal to y over x minus 75. So y is equal to y. Therefore, x tan 35 degrees is equal to x minus 75 times tan 50 degrees. X is equal to 181.84 feet. So that's the value of x. So we need to find the value of y. So y is equal to tan 35 degrees times 181.84 feet, which is the value of x. So the final answer is y is equal to 127.32 feet. Situational number 3. 2 points A and B, 180 feet apart, lie on the same side of a tower on a hill and in a horizontal line passing directly under the tower. The angles of elevation of the top and bottom of the tower viewed from B are 42 degrees and 34 degrees, respectively. And at A, the angle of elevation of the bottom is 10 degrees. Find the height of the tower. So here is the figure. So let tan 34 degrees is equal to h over x. So tan 10 degrees is equal to h over x plus 180. So h is equal to h. It will have x tan 34 degrees is equal to x plus 180 times tan 10 degrees. So the value of x will have 63.71 degrees. We need to find the height of the tower. So h is equal to tan 34 degrees times 63.71, which is the value of x. So height is equal to 42.87 degrees. Next, tan 42 degrees is equal to y over x. Y is equal to 63.71, which is the value of x, times tan 42 degrees. So y is equal to 57.36 degrees. B is equals to y minus h. So b is equal to 57.37 minus 42.97, which is the height of the tower. So b is equals to 14.4 feet. Number 4 question. Along one bank of the river with parallel banks, a surveyor lays of a baseline AB 600.0 feet long. From each end of the line, an object C on the opposite bank is sighted. The angle which the lines of sight make with the same line are 62 degrees 5.3 inch and 81 degrees 34.7 inch respectively. Find the width of the river. So here is the figure. So let tan 62 degrees 5.3 is equal to y over 600 minus x. It is the equation number 1. So the equation number 2 will have tan 81 degrees 37.7 inch is equal to y over x. So let y is equal to y. Therefore, 600 minus x times tan 62 degrees 5.3 feet is equal to x times tan 81 degrees 34.7 feet. So the answer is x is equal to 131.0620 feet. It is the value of x. So we need to find the value of y. So y is equals to 131.0620, which is the value of x, times tan 81 degrees 34.7 feet. So the final answer is y is equal to 885.23 feet. Question number 5. Two boundary lines of a piece of property intersect at an angle of 85 degrees. It is desired to cut off a triangular portion of the property which will be 1 square feet or 43.560 square feet in area by means of the straight fence. If the fence begins at a point on a boundary 250 feet from the corner of the property, there runs in a straight line to the other boundary. What angles does it make with the boundary lines and how long it is? So here is the figure. So let A is equal to 1/2 AB sin theta. 43,560 feet squared is equal to 1/2 times 250 times sin 85 degrees. So the final answer for B is equal to 249.81 feet. Use cosine law to find C. So use sine law to find B and 2. The side of a triangular glass plot are 47.5, 64.5, and 85 feet respectively. Find the minimum radius of the action of an atomic lawn sprinkler which will water all parts of the cloud simultaneously. So here is the figure. So AR is equal to ABC over 4R. Using Heron's formula, we will have A is equal to the square root of S times SA times S minus B times S minus C. So S is equal to 47.5. It is the value of letter A, plus 64.5, which is the value of B, and plus 85, which is the value of letter C. So over 2 will be have 98.5. So let's back to the Heron's formula. So A is equals to 98.5 times 98.5 minus 47.5 times 98.5 minus 64.5 times 98.5 minus 85. So the final answer is 100 or 1518.4816. So 1518.4816 is equal to ABC over 4R. So 1518.4816 is equal to 47.5 times 64.5 times 85 over 4R. So the final answer is, or the radius is, R is equal to 42.87 feet.